Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on the best foods to reduce the size of an inflamed prostate. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects many men, especially as they age. Prostate health is crucial for overall well-being, and understanding how diet plays a role can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll explore various foods that can help manage prostate size and inflammation, providing you with practical tips to incorporate them into your daily meals. First, we'll discuss the significance of diet in maintaining prostate health. Research has shown that certain foods can positively impact prostate size and inflammation. Choosing the right foods can support your prostate and enhance your overall health. We'll highlight specific nutrients and compounds in these foods that contribute to better prostate function. Next, we'll discuss the benefits of incorporating these prostate-friendly foods into your diet. Imagine feeling more energetic, experiencing fewer discomforts, and improving your quality of life, all by making simple dietary changes. We'll share delicious options that are easy to prepare and can be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of cooking skills. So whether you're looking to prevent issues or manage existing concerns, this video is packed with valuable information. Stick around as we guide you through the best foods for a healthier prostate and empower yourself with knowledge that can lead to a happier, healthier life. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding prostate health. Prostate health is vital to men's overall well-being, yet it often goes overlooked until issues arise. An inflamed prostate, also known as prostatitis, occurs when the prostate gland becomes swollen or irritated. This condition can lead to a range of uncomfortable symptoms, including pain during urination, difficulty starting or stopping urination, and pelvic discomfort. In some cases, men may also experience flu-like symptoms, such as fever and chills, which can further complicate their health. Prostate issues are surprisingly common, particularly among men over the age of 50. Studies suggest that nearly half of all men will experience some form of prostate enlargement, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, by the time they reach their 60s. This condition can lead to urinary problems and significantly impact quality of life. Understanding these issues is crucial for early detection and management. One of the most effective ways to support prostate health is through proper nutrition. A balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can significantly reduce inflammation and promote prostate function. Certain foods, such as tomatoes, berries, and nuts, are particularly beneficial due to their high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By making informed dietary choices, men can take proactive steps toward maintaining their prostate health and potentially reducing the risk of enlargement and other related issues. In summary, understanding prostate health and its common issues is essential for men, especially as they age. Prioritizing nutrition can lead to better outcomes and a healthier life. Critical nutrients for prostate health. When it comes to maintaining prostate health, certain nutrients play a crucial role in reducing prostate size and inflammation. Understanding these essential vitamins and minerals can empower you to make better dietary choices. First on the list are vitamins such as vitamin D and vitamin E. Vitamin D is necessary for overall health and has been linked to a lower risk of prostate issues. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Vitamin E, found in nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables, is known for its antioxidant properties, which can help protect cells from damage. Minerals like zinc and selenium are also vital for prostate health. Zinc supports immune function and is found in oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beans. Selenium, found in Brazil nuts, fish, and whole grains, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that may benefit prostate health. Antioxidants are another essential component in the fight against inflammation. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can contribute to chronic inflammation and various health issues. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, green tea, and dark chocolate, can be particularly beneficial for maintaining a healthy prostate. Lastly, healthy fats are crucial for overall health and support prostate function. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce prostate swelling. Incorporating these healthy fats into your diet can promote better prostate health and overall well-being. By focusing on these critical nutrients, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier prostate. Top foods to include. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can significantly support prostate health. One of the standout options is tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of prostate issues. Cooking tomatoes, such as in sauces or soups, can enhance the bioavailability of lycopene, making it even more beneficial for your health. Another excellent choice is fatty fish, particularly salmon. This fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s can help reduce prostate swelling and promote overall heart health. Other fatty fish options include mackerel, sardines, and trout, which can easily be incorporated into your meals for a delicious and nutritious boost. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are also essential for prostate health. These vegetables contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to help detoxify the body and reduce inflammation. Broccoli, in particular, is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and support prostate health. Including various vegetables in your diet can provide essential nutrients while adding flavor and texture to your meals. Focusing on these top foods, tomatoes, fatty fish, and cruciferous vegetables, can create a diet that supports prostate health and enhances overall well-being. Making these simple dietary changes can lead to significant benefits in managing prostate size and inflammation. Foods to avoid. When maintaining prostate health, being mindful of what you eat is as essential as including beneficial foods. Certain foods can exacerbate prostate issues and should be limited or avoided altogether. One major category is processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats. These foods are often high in saturated fats and preservatives, which can contribute to inflammation and may increase the risk of prostate problems. Studies have suggested a link between high consumption of processed meats and an elevated risk of prostate cancer, making it wise to limit these items in your diet. Another group of foods to be cautious about is high-fat dairy products, including whole milk, cheese, and cream. These products can promote inflammation in the body, which may negatively impact prostate health. Some research indicates that men who consume large amounts of high-fat dairy may have a higher risk of developing prostate issues. Opting for low-fat or plant-based alternatives can be a healthier choice. Additionally, reducing sugar intake is crucial for overall health and prostate well-being. High sugar consumption can lead to obesity and insulin resistance, both of which are linked to increased inflammation and a higher risk of prostate problems. Sugary beverages, desserts, and processed snacks should be limited to maintain a balanced diet. By avoiding processed meats, high-fat dairy products, and excessive sugar, you can take proactive steps toward better prostate health. These dietary adjustments can help reduce inflammation and support overall well-being, allowing you to lead a healthier life. Lifestyle changes for prostate health. Certain lifestyle modifications and dietary changes can significantly enhance prostate health. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to improve overall health. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, promotes better circulation, and reduces inflammation. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Incorporating strength training exercises a couple of times a week can also be beneficial, as it helps build muscle and supports metabolic health. Maintaining a healthy weight is another crucial factor in supporting prostate health. Excess body weight, particularly around the abdomen, can increase the risk of developing prostate issues and exacerbate inflammation. By adopting a balanced diet and staying active, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight, which in turn can lower the risk of prostate enlargement and other related problems. Monitoring your weight regularly and adjusting as needed can help you stay on track. Stress management is equally essential for prostate health. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and negatively impact overall well-being. Stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help you manage stress effectively. Additionally, engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, and getting enough sleep can contribute to a more balanced and healthier lifestyle. Combining these lifestyle changes, regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and effective stress management can complement your dietary efforts and promote better prostate health. These holistic approaches can improve well-being and a higher quality of life. This video explains the essential aspects of maintaining prostate health through diet and lifestyle changes. We discussed crucial foods that can support prostate health, such as tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, and fatty fish like salmon, known for their omega-3 fatty acids. We also highlighted the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, which contain compounds that help reduce inflammation. Additionally, we identified essential nutrients, including vitamins D and E, zinc, and selenium, that are vital in promoting prostate health. Now that you've been given this valuable information, it's time to take action. Consider incorporating these prostate-friendly foods into your daily meals. Small changes can lead to significant health benefits, whether adding salmon to your dinner or enjoying a fresh salad with broccoli. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and stress management can significantly enhance well-being. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from learning about prostate health. Your engagement helps us create more informative videos that empower others to make healthier choices. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to take charge of your prostate health and overall wellness. Together, we can make a positive impact on our lives and the lives of those around us.